I'm Abraham Ortega, Royal Emperors Car Club. I'm in San Jose, California. It was my 1946 Chevy pickup. It was my dad's truck. We grew up in this truck, driving around, me, my brother Roman, my mom, my dad. It was his daily driver for a long time. And he parked it in 1981, I think in 1981, parked it in the backyard. And it just sat back there forever. Just, he always wanted to get to it, always wanted to work on it. Never got around to it. He was just a working dude, so it was always on the back burner. But he always wanted to get it going on the road. So he passed away in 1998. So when he passed away, I took the truck. My brother took his motorcycle. So a couple of years after he passed away, I started trying to work on it. I didn't really have too much money or nothing, but I knew I couldn't sell the truck. So I gave it to a couple of friends, Steve Sellers, Pat Lash, and they over the years, since probably like died 98. So I probably started working on it like 2000. So I started, gave it to them, and they did a lot of the framework, Z'd the frame, Mustang 2, 4-linked it. What else? And just kind of got it to a point where I could, I don't know, I guess keep going with it. But then I took it to, so Steve Sellers had it, Pat Lash had it, and then I took it to Tony Parker, and he got it finished, got it going on the road for me, put a 235 in it, T5 transmission. Yeah, and ever since then, I just kind of been going with it. You know, it's never done, but it's done enough for me. So Z'ing the frame is when they Z the frame 4 inches. So with these trucks, usually the cross member on the transmission, it hangs a little bit lower than the running boards. So when you lay it out, it doesn't lay out all the way. And then when you drive real low, like you'll get snagged up. So I had it, the front of the frame Z'd up 4 inches. So it raised all the motor and transmission all the way up. So I could drive it low, lay it out. And because originally I wanted to just leave it static and just have it really low. But I ended up putting hydraulics on it. 4-link is just the rear suspension. It's just a triangulated 4-link, 4 bars. It used to be leaf springs, got rid of that. So it's a little more travel. It could travel a little better. Step the rear of the frame. And yeah, it's put some 2 pumps in it, 3 batteries. No, it's factory. It's factory from 41 through 46. This was a wartime truck. They had these waterfall grills. So the waterfall is this down tube. But 41 through 46, it was a wartime truck. So they made 41s, 42s. I don't know if they made 43s or 44s. They might not have made them because they were saving all the metal for the war. So they made 45s, which are rare. 42s are rare. But 41s and 46s, they're a little more common, but still not too common. But this is a 46, and the grill is factory. It's cosmetically, it's all stock. It's all stock, and this is the way my dad left it to me, in this patina. So it's not a you know a weather beaten patina, but my dad did this. When he was drunk back in the, you know, my brother's got a story of when it was parked back behind the house. He was painting the house with a brush, like a red primer. And he turned around and started painting the truck with the brush too. So it kind of sat like this in the backyard for forever until, yeah, and still, I'm not going to change it. It's done. It's done enough for me. So yeah, that's where it's at.
Someone who is new to the car scene, but is interested in cars, what kind of advice would you give them?
Jeez. Do your research. Figure out what it is you want to do with the goddamn car. There's so many ways and so many different things you could do now. Like there's so many options, and if you're not doing the work yourself, that's fine, but you got to know what you're going for, know what look you're trying to do, and just do your research, man, and be financially ready for it, because it's never done. It's always going to cost money. It's an investment that you're not going to get a return on. But it's a bad investment, but you know, the love you have for it, that's all you need.